So let's say you've done all the work on your model, gotten everything down as solid as you can, and now you want to check everything over, just like you would, or depending on who you are, wouldn't do on a test. So all CAD packages have some features to let you look at your model in different ways, as well as label your model so whoever gets it next knows what the size everything is, and etc. So we're going to go over a few of these features in this tutorial, including section planes and the text tool. First off, section planes. So I have here what looks kind of like just a regular cylinder with another smaller cylinder extending from it. But wait, is that it? Nope, got you. This is actually an impeller, something like what you'd find in a pump. And yes, of course, for those of you who actually know quite a bit of fluid dynamics, what I've had here isn't exactly the proper shape, it's missing a hole, so on and so forth. But the idea is, sometimes you want to be able to see inside enclosed components, or you want others to, who might receive your model file to do the same. This is where section planes come in handy, because they let you slice up your model, allowing you in turn to see inside it, and of course this doesn't actually change your model. You can think of it almost like an X-ray. To use section planes, hit the Tool tab, go down and find section planes. This big blue thing will appear, and you can place the section plane on any surface, and even better, after you click and place one there, you can use the move and rotate tools to change the position and angle of your section plane. Finally, to disable your section plane, right-click on the section plane and uncheck the active plane selection. So with section planes out of the way, we're going to move on to the text feature and how to use text in SketchUp. So there are two text tools. The first of these is the 2D text tool. To use this, click the tool and click the surface on which you want to place the text. At the start, this tool will display all the essential dimensioning information relevant to the surface you placed it on. But in this case, we're going to overwrite it and say this is an impeller because I want to give this model to my friend who needs to know that it's an impeller, not two cylinders. Besides the 2D text tool, there is also the 3D text tool. Hit the tool, write your text, and specify the extrusion height. And now place the text on any surface that you want. So you'll notice that it says specify the extrusion height, and that's because this 3D text tool will actually place and make an extrusion of the text that you write. So let's say I go on to 3D print this model, and it'll actually say impeller on it. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, enjoy CADing, and we'll see you next time.